A disciplined mind brings happiness. Great things never come from comfort zones. Output does not come overnight, it takes over time. Please work hard, stay consistent, and be patient. Every day must have at least one positive thought, no matter how hard a day. So, one day mind will be full of positive thoughts. Stop hating yourself for everything you are not. Start loving yourself for everything that you are. The tongue has no bones but is strong enough to break a heart. So be careful what you are words. If you care about what others think of you, then you will always be their slave. Our life is shaped by our mind, then we become what we think. When egos comes, everything else goes. When egos goes, everything else comes. If you want peace, then you have to lose your connection with people, places, things that create all the noise in your life.